Do you want to do a lightning round of would you rather? All right. So, would you rather fart loudly on live TV or sneeze directly into your boss's coffee?
Well, I don't have no boss. I'm the top dog where I'm at. So
So, fart in your own coffee or,
fart in my own coffee.
oh, no, sorry, cough into your own coffee or fart on live TV. Which would you rather do?
Well, shit, I'll cough into my own coffee. I'm gonna be the one drinking it.
Okay. Would you rather be caught in your ex's wedding photo or your boss's family Christmas card?